it's me, Evie, and I am back with a more hot girl summer. I am so excited for this summer. I have so much hopes and dreams. I'm newly engaged and I'm happy and I'm just on top of the world. So, I'm here with the premium box of Boxy Charm. It is a Dare to Dazzle box. So the premium box is 6 full-size items and it's $35 a month. So let's just get into the Dare to Dazzle. The first thing we have in this box is a Marc Jacobs Beauty, and it is a volume mascara. Here is the box. It's the sleek black and white box that Marc Jacobs is known for. And here is the mascara. I love the dimensional tube. Mascara offers volume and a great impact. It'll spice your nights up. You can purchase this Marc Jacobs mascara for $27. Okay, we have some Lorac. Here's the packaging. And here is the product. These are very shimmery shades, more neutral, that we have grown to love this brand for. But this is a perfect size to stick in a bag and take with you for a very neutral, shimmery look. It is $25. We have a skin regimen with a hyaluronic acid booster. Here is the dropper. You put just a couple of these drops on your face, smear it around, and then put a moisturizer on top of it, and you're good to go. That retails for $115. So the next product is something that is new for me in a Boxy. It is a Moroccanoil Perfect Defense. Hot girl summer, we need to protect our hair that we have worked all winter trying to keep beautiful for when we could go back out into the world. So this is the perfect way to keep it safe after all those styling tools. This retails for $28. So we have a Lashaholic luxury lashes. These are super lightweight and extra fluffy for a glam look. These retail for $15.99. The last product is from Floss Beauty, Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. Ooh, it's a beautiful, neutral, rosy shade. This is for hydration of the cheeks and lips for an ultra beachy vibe. This retails for $22. Look out for the base box and the Luxe box. I will put links in the description so you can click on those to follow. Remember, be your own beautiful. Like, comment, subscribe. Click the notification if you want to be updated on my latest post.